To define your side notes, you're going to go into Table Maintenance in your System Utilities area and select Side Note Definition Maintenance. Here you're going to either edit one of the existing side notes that are defaults in the system, like the other balance, repair balance, and insurance balance, or you can click Add and create your own. So to do that, you just put in the side note type, and then you're going to define the side note. Then give it a balance method. You're either going to have a gross declining balance, which is where you start with one balance and then the customer makes payments until that balance reaches zero, or you're going to have a recurring invoice for something like a force-placed insurance where the customer is going to be invoiced each month and they're going to have to continually pay that amount for the side note. So select the balance method and you're going to check whether or not you can charge interest, and if you're using tax, if you're including tax in the payment, or if you're not charging tax. Then you'll select the company and you can go in and start putting in your GL accounts so that you can link your side note transactions to the appropriate accounting accounts or GL accounts. Once you have all of these accounts added, then you can save your side note, and that side note definition then will be available when you are setting up a side note, and you can select it from your list of side notes. If at any point you need to edit these, maybe you didn't know which GL account to put it in, so you put it in suspense, you can come back in at any time and edit the side note that you've created. And then once you're finished, then you can exit the activity and move to the next thing that you need to do in the system. If you're ready at that point to actually set up your side note, simply go into Receivables and click Add Side Note and select that side note definition from the drop-down list.